How to use Ulta Beauty store pickup instructions. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step guide that we can use for Ulta Beauty store pickup option for online orders. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can head over to the Ulta Beauty website for that and we can start adding the items that we want to purchase to our cart. So go ahead and find the specific item that we would like to purchase. For example, this item right here. Once you have done so, make sure that the items are eligible for on-store pickup, and there will be finding option called Pickup in-Store. We can just head over and find this option right here and click on the option for the pickup that is available on the product page. Once it is done, you can click on this option called Add to Ship and it will be added. After that, you can go ahead and view your cart in the top right corner to go ahead and check out. After that, once you have done so, you can go ahead and check out. Even in the section, you can just go over and select the option of pickup in store instead of shipping, and you can enter up your zip code or city to find nearby stores. You can select up your preferred order. Once it is done, you can review your order from the section right here and go ahead and check out, and a confirmation email will pop up with a pickup location and estimated pickup time and instructions. You can just go over and go to the selected Ulta store during business hours and bring your order confirmation email and valid ID, and you can head to the store pickup counter and staff will hand you to order. And that's it. That is it, everybody. Usually this is how you should be able to do it. You can follow out this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.